All right, here's the mower that we picked up for $40. I'll do a walk around. The scrapper guy said that the guy tried to start it, it wouldn't start. He went and bought a new battery, wouldn't start. The guy just gave up. He said he bought a new tractor. So the scrapper guy took this away for free. We bought it from the scrapper guy for $40. I'm making this video and then I'll figure out what's wrong with it, get it running. Me and my neighbor. Sometimes when they don't turn over, it's a safety switch problem.